What's going on, guys? Meekachii here with Kivox. I think I'm going to start stealing your thing. It sounds way better than mine.
Go for it, dude. I like it.
All right.
I think it sounds good.
So today we're going to be unboxing another Uppercase unboxing book box. I didn't know I was getting this in. It just like surprise pooped on my doorstep, so that was awesome. I have no idea if there's a theme. I don't know what book it is. I don't know what's going on, so we're just going to open it.
Okay.
I don't remember if this one, like the items directly correlate to the book or not.
Oh, okay, got it.
I think they do. I don't know, sometimes. What is that?
There you go.
Magnet. I know who this is going to.
Okay. What's it say on it?
Bookish cat.
Oh, bookish. Got it. Wait, hold on. It's focused on me. Go back. Are you covering up the bookish part? No, you're good. That's cute. I like it.
It's a magnet, but we can't put it on our fridge, but my sister has a collection of magnets at her work.
Okay, cool.
And she's obsessed with cats, so I'm totally going to have her put this at her desk at work. Look, instead of like a houndstooth, it's like a lightning bolt.
Get it?
No.
Like Harry. Houndstooth? What's that?
That's like it kind of looks like that design, but it's not.
What's houndstooth?
It's a type of design on clothing.
You're lying. I don't believe you.
Google it.
I don't have time for that.
All right.
Oh my god. I don't know what this is. It looks like a necklace, like a little baby necklace.
It's like an apostrophe or something.
Is there a paper that goes along with this one that tells us
know.
what they are, what things are?
It looks like an apostrophe necklace.
Snaps.
I like it. I just know I don't know if I'll ever remember to wear it.
It's like double wrapped.
Right? I don't.
Oh, it's probably not to not scratch the.
Oh crap! I'm like tangling it already. It's been 5 seconds. Like legit.
I got it, Mick. I got it. Get out of here. You don't understand that necklace size.
Yeah, it's like an apostrophe.
It is like an apostrophe with like a tiny little whatever this material is. What's sterling silver? Is that real silver?
Yeah.
Is that what they call silver? There's
there's
probably isn't sterling silver.
And non-silver.
All right.
Non-sterling usually no. Sterling silver usually doesn't tarnish.
Oh, okay. And then
regular silver tarnishes.
Oh, cool. So this is probably neither of those.
No, it could be sterling.
I doubt it. How much is this box? Like $20?
Yeah, I think so. I think it's cute.
How much is this satchel?
It's simplistic yet cute.
You're simplistic yet cute. Oh, here we go. Look, we got a note.
Comma necklace. Whoops. It's not an apostrophe. It's a comma.
They're the same though, right? One's at the top, one's at the bottom.
Whatever.
So it depends on where you wear it. If you put it above your head, it's an apostrophe. If you put it on your neck, it's a comma. All right. So, did you already see what the book was?
No.
Okay.
I have no idea what it is. That's all that's in here?
Nope. We got a.
Oh, that goes with the book, but don't ruin it.
That goes with the book. Okay. And then we got. Ooh.
What?
I like this. This is like my little notebook. Pages.
Right this minute. My swoon reads.
You should keep this as your notes for your book club.
Maybe.
No, you should. Just write all your little notes.
It feels really
nice.
nice.
Write all your notes in there. You got your little thing in there. You got your page holder, page placer.
It reminds me of the Death Note.
Yeah, I like it. It reminds me of my wand drawing book. It's perfect. I love those size books. They're great.
And like this is really smooth and nice.
Yeah, I can even laser some stuff on there if you want me to. Laser a pattern on there.
That's pretty sweet.
That says, Meekachii is the best. She rocks. She's so dope, yo. Whatever you want. Is that what you want?
I think I'm good with just this.
You don't want the she's so dope, yo?
No.
All right, next up is... Stop. I'm literally trying to block it from you. Stop looking at the camera, too. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I'm still trying to get it out, okay, without ruining it. I don't think you have... Don't look. I don't think you have this one because I haven't seen it yet, but maybe you do because I haven't seen all of your books. Do you have it?
No.
Okay, what is it?
Ink, iron, and glass. I've seen this, I feel, but I don't know what it is.
Signed. It's also signed.
Set in a steampunk-inspired Italy where new worlds are created with ink and papers.
Cool, so there's magic. There's magic involved.
Oh, there's a signature. I like this box because the signatures are actually on the book.
I agree. I like that better too. That's also harder to get if you think about it, because they have to ship all these books to the person has to come and sign all of these books.
They usually ship the first pages to the authors and they sign them.
Oh, like before the book is made.
Yeah.
That's genius. I would be like, here's a truck ton of books. Come and sign them.
I don't
That's
know.
so
like,
much better.
I've seen that happen to where like authors get like boxes of pages, basically, and they just have to sign them. All right, so a certain pen, a certain book, and a certain person can craft entirely new worlds through a branch of science
whole new world
called scriptology. Elsa comes from one such world that was written into creation, where her mother, a noted scriptologist, constantly alters and expands their reality. That is different.
Interesting.
So I like this box because I feel like they give us books that are less common. So like, not that they're less good.
I don't like when I feel like some of the crates like just give away like the most popular book at the time. But like if it's already popular, you probably already bought it.
Yeah.
Or it's probably on its way, you know? So it's like, unless you're getting it early, unless you're getting it like a month early, then there's no point to do the most popular book, you know?
Yeah.
It kind of sucks.
One time, Alcrate did give a box early, or a book early.
But it was only
like a week or whatever. But it gave you time to cancel it in order if you already had it coming.
Yeah.
But anyway, I like this box because they do tend to pick out books that are a little less well known, so that you're right, like I don't have them. I don't think I've ever received a book from Uppercase that I've already had. Which is good.
You're right.
And that doesn't mean they're any less good, because like I feel like some of my favorite books are like underhyped books that like people don't talk about. So yeah, I feel like this box was pretty cute. Cute. That's my theme for today. Cute. But I super love this. This is going in the office.
I super love this little notebook. I love this.
And this is really
notebook.
cute. This is a good box. I liked it. Thank you, Uppercase, for sending us this box to unbox on the channel. We will put a link down below to Uppercase if you guys want to check it out. They do also have an option where you pretty much just get the book instead of the bookish items, so it's a little cheaper. If you want to do that, if you just want like a surprise book every month. We also did a bunch of unboxings today, where that's why we're in like the same outfit for like 4 videos, because we literally have 4 boxes we're unboxing. So hit that little bell thing if you want to be notified when we come out with new videos, because pretty much like this week is just going to be all unboxings. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked it. We will see you guys next time.